Innate immunity is constitutive and non-specific in nature. It is present in an individual right since birth. Innate immunity can be considered in three levels. The first level is species level, second is race, and third is individual. So first let us discuss about species level. Species resistance. So species resistance means an entire species is inherently immune to a particular pathogen. For example, all animals are immune to plant pathogens. Any pathogen that causes an infection in plants doesn't cause the disease in animals. So all animals are inherently immune to it. So this is species resistance. Similarly, another example can be polio. Polio is a disease caused by poliovirus. So this disease usually occurs only in humans, and all other lower organisms are immune to this disease, right? So this is species resistance. That means it occurs only in the infection occurs only in a specific species, and all the other species are immune to the particular infection, right? They don't have to develop any immunity in their lifetime. Right from birth, they are immune to that particular infection because of the species resistance. Now, the second type is racial resistance. That means an infection occurs in a particular species, but a specific race becomes immune to it. For example, anthrax disease. Anthrax is a disease which is caused by bacteria Bacillus anthracis in cattle, that is like sheep, but a specific race of the sheep, like Algerian sheep. This Algerian sheep is resistant to anthrax. That means anthrax disease occurs in sheep. Generally it occurs in sheep, but this particular race is resistant to it. So this is racial resistance. Then the third level of innate immunity would be individual resistance. That means the level of immunity, the level of resistance differs from individual to individual. We all might have observed that in our own home, right, there can be 5 family members. Some of them fall sick and others don't, right? So the immunity differs from individual to individual. This can depend on various factors like age, right? Age or gender. The gender of the person. It can also depend on the nutrition, the level of nutrition, whether the person is having nutritious food or not. It can also depend on other factors like stress. Someone is undergoing severe stress and they may not be in general very healthy, right? Also lifestyle habits, right? So and also genetics, the genes, the genetic makeup. So every person is different, right? Every individual, they have a different genetic makeup. They're exposed to different environments, right? They have a different lifestyle. They're eating different kind of food, right? They are at different ages. So all these factors together will affect the individual resistance, right? So every person will have their own individual resistance. right? Some people can be highly immune and they fall sick very rarely, whereas some people are they are very weak, their immune system is weak and they fall sick often, right? So innate immunity can also work at an individual level, where it depends and it varies from individual to individual. So these are the 3 levels at which innate immunity works: species, race and individual.